Came from Bolivar, Missouri. It's about 500 miles from here, roughly. This is the longest haul I've made in it so far.
I'm from Bristol. It's about 280-ish miles.
We're from north of Joplin, Missouri. It took us about 10.5 hours to get here with traffic, but it's somewhere around 450, 500 miles we drive.
My buddy Chewy, he hauled his truck, George's truck, and mine from Visalia, California, 4,000 miles.
Hey, is everybody good to go with the parking team? Yes, sir.
Community Built Trucks is far more than just a truck show. The focus is the community. That's the people that really make all this possible.
This was my dad's truck. He bought it brand new and he passed it on to me, and been doing his routine and taking care of it and all. Original paint, original motor, 1983.
What makes you love the truck community so much?
I guess it's the camaraderie. Everybody has a same interests as I do. And so I walk around and talk to everybody as much as I can and gain experience of what I can do to improve on this.
I love the people of the truck community. You could come in here and I believe if you had a radiator bust right here, someone would find you help, you know, or whatever. If you was broke down, this community would help you, you know, and that means more than anything.
To me, the truck community is so much better than any of the other car type communities out there. Truck guys always stick together. It's a much more chill crowd.
This is a 1966 Chevrolet C10. My papa's first cousin's truck. He got around 1970. Whenever he passed away, it got given to my papa and my dad. Well, one day I said, you know what, I'm gonna get that truck running. So I popped the hood on and started tinkering with it. It's been with me all through high school, all through college. I've been tinkering with it, let's see, that's gonna be about 13 years I've been driving it.
The truck life is more than a community to me, which it's great. Community's awesome, but for me personally, it's family. I started building my own trucks, and then when my son got older, likewise, he loves trucks as well. We built him 2 trucks. Now my grandsons are partaking in the same thing. We've already bought them a 69 K10 that we're fixing to start on, but it's all about family to me. So it's great to go to the car shows. Me, my son, my 2 grandsons, just so happens to be trucks that we all love, and that's our family bond.
It doesn't matter how nice it is or what the quality of the paint is or anything, right? I mean, people are just happy to share, happy to see. The hospitality is always amazing. Just the people and the families you meet, it's just cool.
We talk online, we help each other with our own builds, we chat and text and call, but this is the opportunity that we have to be able to come together and not only see each other's trucks, but shake each other's hands, give people a hug, and really get to know them on a deeper level. So that's what Community Built Trucks is all about. Today was special for me. It wasn't just a car show. This was really the first time that I got to see the community that we're a part of. You know, we're always on Facebook and like helping each other with each other's trucks and doing all that, but today you get to physically meet, shake hands, give a hug, high five with some of the people that help each other all the time, and that's what it's all about. It's not just about these trucks. And today is just a glimpse of what's possible by this community coming together. So thank you guys again so much for coming. I'm going to close it out there so everybody can leave on a beautiful sunny day. I did my best for you guys, and I appreciate you coming, supporting me, and I hope everybody has a great day. Okay.